Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll show you how to turn on an extra layer of security for your Temu account. Protecting your personal information is very important, so let's dive right in and secure your account. Open the Temu application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. By opening the Temu application on the home page at the bottom of the screen in the very center, you can see your profile that says "You" and then click on it. Then, on the next page, look for the setting option in the upper right corner, which is presented in the shape of a hexagon, and click on it. Clicking on the setting option will open a new page where you will search for the account security option and click on it. Then on the next page, you will go down to the option, two-factor authentication, and click it. Here we will show you how to secure your profile via phone number, then select the phone number option and click Continue. The application will ask you to enter your phone number in an empty field, so that it can send you a 6-digit number via SMS. When you do that, click on the Submit option. Then enter the codes you received in the empty fields. The application topic will then open a new page where you will be able to see only once 10 codes through which two-factor authentication will be enabled, adding an additional level of security to your account. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can enable an extra level of security for your Temu account. This will help keep your personal information safe and secure. If you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.